Good morning, guys. This is Mary. Join me in Magical Trails of Kenya. This is where we hike. Those who love outdoors, you love hiking, you love traveling, you love beautiful scenery. Always, I'm here to show you amazing views all over Uasin Gishu, Nandi County, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, West Pokot. But next, we're going to venture even more outside parts of Kenya. So today we are in Uasin Gishu County at Chebara Dam. I've never been here. I'm with my fellow hikers. I want to see how the day goes. I want to see how this day goes, though it's an easy one, but 20-kilometer hike. There are no mountains. Well, let's see how this dam goes, what it does. I'm going to get to know the history of it from the locals, from our tour guide. I'm here to know more about Chebara Dam, which I'm here to show you, to tell you more. It's a really beautiful day. As you can see, I'm sunbathing. I'm sunbathing after it's been a cold weather. It's been raining, and I'm just hoping that we'll be able to finish this hike before it starts raining again. That's the goal. I don't want to be rained on. Though it's also a fun moment. So, karibu sana, and join me to all of these amazing views. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video so that we can grow this channel, so that I can show you more amazing views, more magical trails. And all those people who want to join me, you can join me, you can link with me, and we can come to these adventures. Don't forget to follow me for more trails, one at a time. Hey guys, sasa we are 8 kilometer. Mwendo si rahisi. Yes, it's not high elevated. Today it seems like an easy hike, but the speed people are going here. Wenzangu wananiacha, but it's okay. As long as we're here, we are uh, almost halfway. We are not halfway yet. The views are definitely amazing. The weather is amazing. What I love about hiking is the fresh air, the scenery. Look at all these, the background, the things you don't see every day in the city, the conversations, the friends you meet, the people you meet again, because we always have new hikers every time you go for a hike. There's a new person. The locals, you get to eat the local food. We can eat chapati, we can eat local managu, we can eat local ugali. The people here are welcoming. People from Rift Valley are really welcoming. They are loving. They want to know where you come from. They want to know what are you doing here, because they are used to walking. They are used to these terrains every day. They don't understand. We use vehicles in the city. We use matatus. Tunaenda job, unakaa chini the whole day. But here they are used to this terrain, so they'll ask you, "Hey, what are you people doing?" And we're coming to exercise. They're like, "Exercise? Yeah, we don't get to do this every day." So these are all the joys and sparks of hiking. Um, that's also the new experience. You get to learn a lot also. And so join me as we go. Now we are headed to also more amazing views. As also we're heading towards the end of our hike. I think people are in a hurry because of rains. It's raining a lot. So we don't want to be caught up here. At least we want to be done before then. So thank you as we go one trail at a time.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance.
Hey guys, so I am 12 kilometers down. As always, amazing views. Now we are at a steep highway. I can imagine the number of calories I am burning. That's the best part. Also, that keeps me going. It's not easy, but it's love for the hike, love for the nature. But remaining like 8 kilometers, we are taking a fast water break. Let's see how it goes. I love these weekends. I love hiking weekends. Yeah.
ever see your smile again.
Hii jamaa ya Owen Trucks.
So hiyo lazima niingie kwa nitaingia tu mani. Kwenda pale gani? Napende hiyo kitu sana. Tena watoto wanaamkia mapema. Unasikia ulifika kwa shamba watu.
Ningebeba tu sport shoes. Karibu nipande pikipiki. Kaona siwezi, warembo walipanda pikipiki, mimi nipande.
Hello, guys. So we have come to the end of our hike at Chebara Dam. We couldn't get so close to it, but we have gone around it. Today, I think this was the longest hike I've done, 26 kilometers. At the start, I thought it was going to be easy, but it definitely wasn't. But it was amazing. A lot of fresh air, a lot of amazing views, good people, welcoming people. I've had a great time with my friends. I have stretched my muscles. I have eaten great snacks. It was truly a fulfilling day. What I like about hiking is how I feel at the end of the day, the achievement, the strength, the perseverance, the endurance of going to this hike. It builds a lot in you. Join me next time. Let's go to this hike. Try one and see how it takes you. I think I'm loving it. I'm getting used to it. I'm becoming more physically fit, which is very important. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe so that I can go to more hikes, so that you can join me to more adventures as we go one trail at a time. Bye.